This is not something that started yesterday. This is 8 years in the making for me, 30 years in the making, 20 people who have put their entire lifetime of experiences together to create something that we believe will deliver the ultimate value to the world.
People that have traveled down hundreds and hundreds of miles, 4-hour journeys just to get here today.
In anything that you do, education is the most important thing.
Validus is about adding value to people's life.
Anybody can succeed. Anybody in the world can do this.
What I value the most today in this business is the relationships that I've built, the people that I know, and more than anything, the freedom. Let me tell you something, freedom is priceless. To be able to do what you want, when you want, however you want, with who you want, that is priceless.
It's time we change the game, and it's time we do it with Validus.